Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Honor 20E. Firstly, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one, need installing, wait a second for install. And now click open. Then wait a second for loading application. And now need choose your application. For example, maybe photos. Okay. Now choose your icon, maybe like camera, this one. And in the top right corner we got OK button. So press it for saving. And then close X. And now click add. And when you can see this notification, you've got new photos icon into your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.